Hello dear learners. Welcome back to Saleem Linguist. You can learn English step by step. Listening daily makes your speaking strong. Speak simple sentences every day. Do not stop because of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Practice makes your speech clear. Use English in real situations. Talk to people around you. Think in English as much as you can. Slow speaking is good speaking. Confidence comes with practice. Let's start the story. Today's story is about giving a message to a neighbor. It is a warm afternoon. Ali is at home with his mother. His mother is busy in the kitchen. She is cooking lunch. There is a small problem. Their gas cylinder is almost empty. They need help quickly. Ali's mother knows their neighbor. The neighbor's name is Sarah. She lives next door. She is kind and helpful. Ali's mother cannot leave the kitchen. She asks Ali for help. She wants him to go to Sarah. She wants him to give a message. Ali feels a little nervous. He wants to speak in English. He usually speaks in Urdu. Today, he wants to try something new. Ali walks to the door. He steps outside slowly. He looks at the neighbor's house. He thinks about his words. He wants to speak clearly. He goes to Sarah's house. He knocks on the door. Sarah opens the door. She smiles when she sees Ali. Ali greets her politely. He tries to speak with confidence. Ali says hello. Ali says, how are you? Ali says, I need your help. Sarah listens carefully. She asks what the problem is. Ali explains the situation. He says our gas is finishing. He says my mother is cooking. He says she cannot leave the kitchen. He says, can you please help us? Sarah understands the problem. She feels ready to help. Sarah says, yes, I will help. Sarah says, I have an extra cylinder. Sarah says, I will send it now. Ali feels relaxed. His face shows relief. Ali says, thank you very much. Ali says, my mother will be happy. Sarah calls her brother. She asks him to carry the cylinder. He brings it to Ali's house. Ali walks back with him. They enter the house together. Ali's mother sees them. She feels thankful. Ali's mother greets Sarah's brother. She thanks him for the help. She continues cooking. The problem is solved. Everyone feels calm again. After some time, Sarah also visits. Ali's mother thanks her warmly. They talk for a few minutes. They share smiles and kindness. Ali stands quietly. He listens to their talk. He feels proud of himself. He used English in real life. He spoke without fear. He helped his family. Later, Ali sits alone. He thinks about the day. He remembers his sentences. He feels more confident now. He decides to practice daily. He wants to improve more. He knows practice is important. In the evening, the food is ready. The family sits together. They eat and talk happily. Ali shares his experience. His mother praises him. She tells him to keep learning. Ali smiles with confidence. He feels strong inside. The day ends peacefully. Ali learns a valuable lesson.